So today we're going to be showing you how to get rid of your gas meter box from hell using just a fork, a bit bent up, a coin and a 9-year-old. Yep, we're replacing a gas meter box and we're going to do it the fun, interesting way using good old-fashioned child labour. And hopefully showing you, the viewer, that
if I can do it, so can you.
Ditch your old devil meter gas box and swap it for one that's a bit more heavenly. Keep watching to find out how. So one thing you need to know about is if Aalia manages to install her gas meter box in under 10 minutes, she's going to win a prize of £20. And using the officially recognised conversion for adult money to child money, that's actually going to make her a millionaire.
I'm going to be a millionaire.
You're going to be a millionaire. Keep watching to find out if Aalia actually can become an unofficial child millionaire. Aalia Kiani, are you ready for your extreme training for this mission?
I have the
Last year, I replaced 5 Mark II gas meter boxes, like the one my glamorous assistant is demonstrating. And I did it in under 1 hour for 5 of them. I then went on to do the 6th one, and the 6th one took me about 45 minutes, so nearly as long as the first 5 altogether. There were some real complications and problems doing it, which really slowed down doing that 6th one. Yeah, so I know from this past experience that there are some potential obstacles that might get in the way of Aalia completing her 10-minute challenge later in the video.
I don't think so.
I will also show you guys at home exactly how to overcome these obstacles if you do decide to go for it and change your own gas meter box, but more on that later in the video. The next thing I'm going to talk to you about is the absolute key secret to getting a gas meter box done in under 10 minutes and saving that bundle of cash.
Oh, just thinking about it makes me all giddy.
You don't need to remove the gas meter to have a new gas meter box.
Wow.
You can change the box without needing to get your gas supplier or a gas safe engineer involved and all the cost and hassle associated with that. You can literally just do it yourself, or in my case, get a 9-year-old to do it. We do this by replacing the dirty, damaged outer casing of the box and leaving the part of the box that's actually attached to the gas meter and actually attached to the wall well alone. Who cares if the inside part you don't actually see is still dirty? Who cares? Also, because we're not actually touching the gas meter itself, it means anyone can do it, including a 9-year-old. Another thing that most people don't realise is that all Mark 1 and all Mark 2 gas meter boxes are built exactly the same. So you only need to figure out which one you've got, and then you can buy a new one of the same type and fit the carcass of it onto your existing back plate that's already attached to the wall and already attached to the gas meter. Right, so this is the last and probably the most important part of Arlie's training to change her gas meter box. And probably the most important part for you guys at home so you can actually see how it's done as well. So first of all, we need to open the gas meter box. Now, what happens is these silly people who make these boxes, they make them like this, so fully closed up, but they make it with the door locked. And have a guess where the key is? It's inside, so you can't even open the damn thing. You need to think outside the box. Excuse the pun. And this is where our fork comes in. Ali, do you want to show the guys on the camera the fork? Come a bit closer so they can see. A bit closer. So you can see that is, well, we've already snapped one piece off, and the other 3 prongs are bent into weird positions. Demonstrate, Ali, on opening the door with a fork.
Yeah.
Remember how we looked at it earlier? So you poke, with the fork in the weird position, you poke it in there, and you can literally spin it around. Not quite, nearly there. Yay! There you go. That's how you open a gas meter box with a fork. Take a bow, Ali. Take a bow. And in there, you will find the key. And this is the actual key to unlock the door with. Oops. So now we no longer need the fork. That is the end of the use of the bendy old fork. I'm going to show us the pegs, Ali, on the top. So there you've got 2 pegs, two on the top, and you've got another one which I'll show you on the inside at the bottom. You only get one on the bottom, that little thing there, look. So can you reach in there and do that bottom peg? Can you do it? Oh, you don't need the coin for that one, do you?
Wait, make it go a bit more up. Like lift it.
Okay. Oh, that was easy. Who needs a coin? Oh, look at that. It come out easy with a coin, didn't it? Nice. Look at that. Straight out. I can just pull that from out here. Look. Gone. Oh, the next one's nearly out as well. Look. Next one's out. I can just pull that now. Got it. Lovely. That was great work, Annie. Well done. Now the pegs are out of place, out of position, you can literally just remove the back plates.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god, bro. Chuck that in the bin, do whatever you want with it. You don't need it. What do you reckon, Ali?
Good.
You can do that tomorrow?
Yeah.
Ali's going to do a challenge tomorrow. If you do it in under 10 minutes, £20 for you. 1, 2, 3, go! So same as what we did yesterday, isn't it?
Yeah.
At home, where you've got to take the pegs out. Have you got your coin? The coin's on the top there, look. Hope you take the pegs out from the inside.
Oh, there.
Yeah, give me the key. I'll get the key out of the way for you. Is it working? Oh, look at that. It's coming out already.
This is harder than yesterday.
Yeah, we'll give it a little wiggle. I might loosen it a little bit.
Oh, it's nearly out.
You nearly got it. Can you do it in 10 minutes, though, is the question. No, it's already out. It's out. It's fine.
It is?
Yeah, that's already out. You've been going for 2 minutes already, so you've got 7.5 minutes left to go.
7.5. Oh, 2. Oh, bloody hell. Oh my.
There you go. Look at that. That's it. And lift it off. Lift it from the top. There you go. You're off. You're done. 3
Yay!
minutes and you've already got the old one off. That's
Give me
awesome.
my £20.
I've got to put the new one on yet.
What? Are you serious?
Get the new one on. Oh, you've only removed the old one so far.
I want
you
to.
can do it.
Ow!
You can do it. You've got to be quick though. You've only got 6.5 minutes left. Can you do it? This might be slightly cheating me dropping it in place, but that's not the point. Right then, give that back. There you go, 2 pegs. And you've got to get the pegs in the holes now. That one in there.
Oh!
Oh, that one's straight in, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A bit misaligned, the holes on it. Yay, you done it? Oh,
No.
you've done it then.
Oh, I did it!
Yay, well done.
Where's my £20?
Oh, you haven't got 25. Yeah, you got another peg to do yet.
What?
You got to do the bottom one. This
Oh,
is the
come
hard
on.
one. See the hole?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, bloody hell. This is going to be crusty and musty and dusty and rusty. Oh my god, I keep jumping it. This is so freaking hard.
Let me help you. I'll help you a little bit.
I guess you really want to give me £20.
Yeah, I want you to win the challenge. Of course I do.
Oh, so you want to waste your money?
Right, push it in. It's lined up now, so you can just push it in the rest of the way. Get that last little bit
It
in.
looks like it's in a shape though. I really want £20.
Get it.
Where's my £20? Where's my £20? Where's my £20? Gonna be a millionaire. Gonna be a millionaire. Gonna be a millionaire.
Oh, so I'll give you £20 then?
Yeah.
Lucky for you, I only have 10s and 5s. There is your winnings.
Let me count how much. 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Good.
Happy?
Yeah.
Good. So as a bit of fun, what do you think she's going to spend her money on? A, B, C or D? I would be very confident it'll be one of these things, and I'm obviously rooting for D. Leave a comment below with which one you think it's going to be and why, and we will reveal what she actually spends it on during our next YouTube video for you.
Subscribe to get notified when our next video is ready.
Yeah, this is the old Mark 1 gas meter box, which is literally not even attached, it's just falling apart. Should be able to fit this nice sparkling new Mark 1 gas meter box straight onto that back plate. So this is what we're going to be doing next. Really happy with how this has turned out. Looks great compared to the old one. Top bit of there where I've had to cut it, not so great, but what other way could you do that? I don't think there's any other way of making that look prettier or getting the pipe over. Compared to what it was, this is a masterpiece. Two boxes, two victories! Before I forget to mention, make sure you do stick around to the end of the video. There is going to be a section of our bloopers where things went wrong. Some of them are hilarious, so stay to the end, watch the bloopers, have a good laugh on that as well. So that's it. Two gas boxes. The easy one done by Aalia in 7 minutes and 16 seconds. Well done, Ali. The second one, a bit more complicated, done by myself, and I still managed to do it in under 45 minutes. You saw the process. I'm sure you could do that yourself as well. So the result of the video is, yes, you can change a gas meter box in under 10 minutes. And yes, it can be done by a 9-year-old, but with just a little bit of help from her dad. Yes, there are possibly going to be complications, as you saw when I was doing my gas meter box. But as you also saw, these complications are quite possible to overcome. So give it a go. Why not? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we really hope you've actually learned something from it, and maybe we'll give it a go yourself, changing your own gas meter box. If you do give it a go, we'd love to hear all about it. Leave a comment, tell us all about it. If you have any questions or need any advice on gas meter boxes whilst you try to change your own, again, leave us a comment. We will reply and we will respond.
Oh, this hard. Ah, oh. Oh, get it off me. Help me get off me. Ah, my fingers.
That's so funny. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, my camera's still messed up a bit. Official child millionaire. Good, I think I like that one. Dramatic's great. That's good drama. Serious face. You can do it. You can make it, Ali. You can make it. You can do it. Oh, you're facing the wrong way. You need to get next to the box. Oh, fuck. Pretend to run in slow motion. Go. Do you know how to pretend to run in slow motion? And jump around like you won the Olympics. Not in slow motion, just jump around like you won the Olympics. Okay, right. Let's say I'm a bit of an expert.
So you claim.
Cheeky bagger. Hello, hello, hello. Hey there, how are you doing? What's your name? Where are you from?
You're not trying to earn.
For now, goodbye, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one.
Bye bye. About that in the next video. Why don't you watch it?
It is a how-to guide showing you how to install an underfloor safe. However, it's not going to be that simple, is it? It's going to feature our burglar, who's going to be Aalia, and she's going to have the job of, one, trying to find the safe, but she's also going to try and crack the safe. And if she can find it and get into it, she wins the surprise that's inside it. Anyway, many, many thanks for watching. We really hope you had as much fun watching the video as we did making it, because we had a lot of fun. But for now, goodbye, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one.
Bye bye.